The world is facing the consequences of climate change. This year, we have witnessed natural calamities in various parts of the world, be it in Pakistan, Horn of Africa, or even in Europe. And now, due to the drastic change in weather patterns, our planet is facing a global extinction crisis. According to new research, which comes as nearly 3,000 scientists call for action from governments to stop the destruction of nature, Earth could lose more than a tenth of its plant and animal species by the end of the century on current trends. More than a tenth of its plant and animal species. The climate crisis will drive an accelerating cascade of extinctions in the coming decades as predators lose their prey, parasites lose their hosts, and temperature rises fracture Earth's web of life. According to the researchers who warn of the risk of co-extinctions in a paper published in Science Advances. From leaf frogs to basking sharks, the extinction risk of plants and animals is typically monitored on the IUCN Red List, where scientists have published their analysis on threats to more than 150,000 species, finding that more than 42,000 could go extinct, often due to human behavior. However, in the new research, the researchers have used a supercomputer to model a synthetic Earth that has species in it. They have done this in order to understand the effect that global heating and land use change could have on the web of life. The researchers say 6% of plants and animals will disappear by 2050, which the world appears to be heading for, and this number will rise to 13% by the end of the century. While in the worst-case scenario of global heating, they estimate 27% of plants and animals could disappear by the end of the century. Moreover, using hundreds of virtual Earths that were populated by more than 33,000 species, scientists looked at how relationships between virtual plants and animals changed due to different biodiversity loss drivers. And according to their analysis, the virtual species were able to recolonize new regions of the planet and adapt to changing conditions in the model. But one thing which the researchers found during this experiment was that climate change would be the main driver of extinction for the plants and animals. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.